everyone, today we will study about animal cell. So first we will see what is cell. Cell is a fundamental unit of life. Let us see animal cell. In animal cell ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are very small in size. Next is mitochondria. Mitochondria is a rod-shaped double bound organelle that is present near the nucleus. The next is vacuole. Vacuole is actually not present in animal cell, but when they are present they are very small in size. Next is lysosome. Lysosomes are known as the side bags of the cell because they digest the damaged cells. The next is centrosome. Centrosome is a cylindrical structure that is found near nucleus. Next is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is known as rough because it has ribosomes attached with it. Next is nucleus. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. Next is Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is known as the shaping center of the cell. Next is smooth endoplasmic reticulum that is around the nucleus. Next is cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outermost covering of the cell that separates it from the external environment. Let us move on. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a network of membranous tubules that spread through a significant part of the cytoplasm. The endoplasmic reticulum functions as an internal transport system and transports protein synthesized within the nucleus. It has two parts, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. While rough endoplasmic reticulum helps the storage and transportation of the proteins from ribosomes to other organelles in the cell, smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in the synthesis and metabolism of the lipids. Let us move on. Mitochondria. Mitochondria, it is the rod-shaped double membrane bound organelle. It contains enzymes in the inner membrane, which is where most chemical reactions occur. The main function of the mitochondria is to produce energy through respiration. This is done by oxidizing organic compounds in the presence of enzymes. Hence, this organelle is also referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. It also regulates the metabolic activity of the cell. It has fluid contains enzymes. The red color is outer membrane and the brown color is inner membrane. Let us move on. Vacuoles. Vacuoles are simplest membrane bound vessels present in the cytoplasm. They hold and store small amounts of water, minerals, sugars, amino acid and waste products. They are larger and more distinct in plant cells than in animal cells. Means they are small in animal cells. They can expand to occupy a large volume within the cell. The membrane of a vacuole is called the tonoplast. Vacuole is a cell. The purple colored is vacuole. Let us move on. Centrosome. The centrosome is a granular structure found near the nucleus. It consists of two cylindrical structures called centrioles, which are placed at right angles to each other. Each centriole is composed of cylinder tubules arranged in a ring. Centrosomes are called the organizing center of the cell and help the cell in divide. Centrosomes are only found in animal cells and absent in plant cells. Let us move on. The lysosomes. Lysosomes are spherical vessels that are pinched off from Golgi bodies. These vessels contain digestive enzymes to digest substances such as proteins and lipids, worn out cell organelles and foreign substances that enter the cell. Lysosomes can also digest whole damaged cells, leading to total cell destruction. Therefore, they are called the suicide bags of the cell. They digest the damaged cells which are not wanted and That's why they are known as suicide bags of the cell. They are produced from Golgi bodies. Let us move on. Nucleus. Nucleus has nuclear membrane. The nuclear membrane or nuclear envelope is the outermost covering of the nucleus. It serves as boundary separating the nucleus from the cytoplasma. Then next is nucleoplasma. It is the semi-fluid material present in between the nuclear membrane and the nucleolus. Nucleolus, what is nucleolus? It is a spherical body present inside the nucleus. A nucleolus may contain up to 4 nucleoli. The nucleus plays an important part in the synthesis of the proteins and certain other substances. The next is chromatin. Chromatin is also known as chromatin threads. Let us move on. Golgi bodies. The organelle consists of membrane-bound, fluid-filled, flattened pouches arranged in a stack along with small vessels. The Golgi apparatus receives proteins and lipids and then processes, modifies, and packs the substances to be passed on the other parts of the cell. This is why it considered the shipping center of the cell. This organ is also referred as to Golgi bodies, Golgi complex, or Golgi. Gives rise to the organelles and called lysosomes. Means they produce the lysosomes. This is Golgi apparatus.